Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. Today's video is very special because we are going to uncard this 95 Lamborghini Diablo SV. This is from the Hot Wheels Premium Boulevard series, and look at the card art. The card art is fantastic, and this is the number 132 of the Boulevard series. This is the metal and real riders. That means it has metal body, metal base and rubber tires. So now, without wasting time, let's uncard this beautiful beast. Now it's time to uncard this beast, and then I'm going to use a cutter because this is Hot Wheels Premium. And guys, remember, you cannot use acetone for it, okay, because this has that coating there, so you cannot use it. So I'm just using a simple cutter to cut this open. So we are doing the uncarding, and like the premium cars, they come with a very good intact blister. So now the uncarding is almost done. So just a bit of this here left. So the uncarding is done, and now let me remove the car. So we have this Lamborghini Diablo uncarded. So overall the details are epic, and guys, it is quite heavy. Obviously this comes with the metal base. So now let's read the details at the base. So it says Lamborghini Diablo SV, and guys, notice that it is 2025 metal. So it is the very new casting, and this is the first ever time Hot Wheels has made Lamborghini Diablo SV. And a very good thing is that they have introduced it in the premium section. So look at the overall details here. It has the painted headlights, the Lamborghini logo there. It could have been placed a little better. I love the paint job on this. The paint job on this is 10 on 10. And overall, look at that SV written at the back. So what does this SV mean, guys? So do let me know what it is. So let me see how many of them actually know it. I love the rear end details. So you have the spoiler, and then you have the painted tail lamp, and guys, look at the exhaust detail. It is so cool, and overall it is a very good car, guys. So this Boulevard series has a lot of cool cars, and one of my personal favorites is the Lamborghini Diablo SV. So overall, do let me know, how do you find this casting? So according to me, it's a 10 on 10 casting, and I love it. So let me know in the comments what do you think about the detailing. So I have showed you all the details possible. So even you have the side view mirrors. So this is the Lamborghini Diablo SV, and now let's do a rolling test to find out how well it rolls. Okay, not bad, being Hot Wheels Premium, and it has rubber tires, and it's doing a very good job. And this is one of the premiums that is actually rolling very well in my opinion, and it is quite heavy. So I love this casting. So guys, meet you guys in my next video, and a lot of unboxing videos are on the way. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram.